kiss am here, romance am, touch am, make her body don't stand well before you can't carry that your clean finger. And not just dive go the hole. Play with the vulva. Tickle am small. Tease all. And again, some of na they always the rush they come the clitoris. Okay, that now for the females way they no circumcise. Okay, because some of them with them circumcise they cut their clitoris come out completely, or some they go cut and remain small. So when I go one dive, they go the clitoris, because now I don't know say the clitoris they very sensitive. Yes, you get about 8,000 nerve endings. Women can be very very sensitive, but no also forget say this other part them also they sensitive. So tease, see gently, they stroke this space, and there's nothing wrong with you using a lubricant. Nothing they wrong for you to use lubricants. So you see my hand, you apply the lubricants. Now waiting the lubricant they do for you. Oh my goodness. Once the lubricant they for your hand, it they help the feel, it dey even help the motion, as in the walk for you, make it they go smoothly. So you see as my hand they run now for the vagina, unlike before where the thing just did dry. No be say your woman no go secrete her own juice. She go secrete her own juice, but at the same time when you add the lubricant to them, it dey go steady whatever. If you no go add lubricant and your woman secrete her own juice, or if you just dip your hand inside her vagina like this, you understand, you bring out, you don't dey wet, then if you use that juice, if you no get lubricants to take fit improvise, okay, use them as lubricants. But it dey advisable for you to get a lubricant. Okay, now the lubricant, if you watch, I know pour the lubricant inside the vagina. I rub am for my hand, use them, they tease all of these things, they touch outside of her vagina. You tease them, you go there and the month. See your second hand, as you they use your finger, they walk. Make your second hand they also they work for her body. Okay, your second hand go they walk, go they busy on top her breast, go they busy on top her rib cage, go they busy, they tease them, they walk around her thighs. Okay, so nothing also stops you from planting kisses on her body while you see the walk, this your walk with this your finger. Now don't also go with 3 fingers or 2 fingers at the same time. Start with 1 finger, preferably the index finger, that na the second finger. Start with them, okay? And if your lubricant dry, like my own don't dry small like this, so you apply more. Thou shall not be stingy with your lubricant. Apply more. All right, so we'll go again. All right, and now she go down, they feel you right now. So you're going, you touch light strokes, you tease, you play with the labia here inside of the vulva. You play with you tease small, you come up small, you touch her clitoris. All right, you should go down more. Now another thing about the clitoris no be DJ button, please, because some people wanna go reach the clitoris because na know say they sensitive, or na won't go they press am like DJ button, or na want the mouth plenty pressure on them. No go too hard on the clitoris, go soft, because when you go too hard, if you cause some pain, it's sensitive, that place is very sensitive, so if you cause some pain, so go slow on top of the clitoris. All right, soft touch. In fact, the entire vagina and the entire, even inside and outside of the vagina, now small they use the touch am. No be where you go they do like say you want to hard work. So once you go there and then you don't reach the clitoris, just you do soft touch. You touch the clitoris softly, just the tease am. By now she go down the mourn, and then you already know now. You already know your work. So if you just go, you dip your hand, 1 finger, and then you go. All right, so this way, light strokes. So you go 1 finger, you check them. So now this 1 finger they help check wetin they do, apart from say they arouse them, it also they help them to get wet more, okay, to secrete more juice, to come out more, natural lubricants from inside her vagina. So the juice, so she go feed the secret more juice. So once you don't notice, say the thing don't they open up well, she don't secrete more juice, then you feel now make them 2 fingers. Although some people know they enjoy 2 fingers, okay, but if she enjoys 2 fingers, you feel now make them 2 fingers, and then you go this way, all right, slowly, and then this your thumb feed the walk in own. No let am just day like that. So as you day inside the vagina with 2 fingers or 1 finger, whichever one which they enjoy, make this one they rub the clitoris, okay, at the same time. So you could just use and they tease the clitoris. They use that your thumb, they tease the clitoris small by small. She go down the moon by now. She go down wet, scatter for everywhere right now. So you go in slowly. All right. If she say faster, they follow, and make sure say you they communicate with them, because lack of communication now they make it they be like, say some people know they enjoy sex. See, once your hand they like this, you see your hand they this way. Now say the G spot. All right, the G spot they few inches above the clitoris inside small. So your hand go day this way for you to want reach the clitoris, the G spot. Like when you text somebody say come here. Now so you go take it find your woman G spot. So here, once you do your hand like this, now somewhere here the woman G spots there for up there. So once you find them, you go know. She go respond. Once you find her G spot, touch am there, she go respond. You self go know, say you don't. You get see the response where they get before from just this one go change. That time go know, say you don't hit somewhere. So the response where you go get go change. So you go, and nothing stop you from doing your changing the direction of position of your hand this way. And all of them are, or you they go this way, like say they whine inside, you turn them and go slowly, faster. So you can go fast. 2 fingers if she wants. Some they even do 3 fingers, but do not start with more than 1 finger at the same time. Start with 1 finger first before you increase to 2 fingers or 3 fingers. It all depends on how you and your partner they like them. Your partner they like 2 fingers, your partner they like 1 finger, your partner they like 3 fingers. Can a vagina take all of that? If she they like them, you fit go ahead with all of that. So my hand don't dry small, but by now she's supposed don't give you enough lubricants from natural lubricants. So you are digging, and then you were touching here. So if you just come out your hand from inside the vagina, and then you will come balance on top the clitoris, and then you tickle it, you stroke them until you go to hear, baby, please don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. At some point you go, no, you don't go here, don't again. Now stop. You go call the here. Small time you go, no go here, stop. You go the here, don't. Anyhow, sha, any soundtrack where she they give you, just make sure say you they listen. All right, that na the cocoa. You should always communicate and always ask him, you like him, how you want him. Should I continue? Should I go harder? Make I they do slow. So not just they always they think say now that knowledge where you get with maybe with your ex, the one where you sabi, now you go work with your wife where you there now. No, the way where your wife go like make you finger and feel different from the way where your ex they like make you finger am. So no carry knowledge where you get say, oh, you be champion for somewhere, when you finger finish they tell you thank you. Can't talk say, oh, why your wife no they tell you thank you when you finish with them. Now because your wife no be your ex. The way where your ex they enjoy am no be the same way where your wife they enjoy am. So now need to they always they talk. Communication they very, 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 very key. always they talk about wetin una like and wetin una no like. Always they expressive. No, they keep quiet. You too as woman. Another thing be say some women self no know as their vagina they work. They don't know where to touch, where they touch them, where the thing goes. I don't tell you, your mirror where they for house, where they use they rub your makeup. Not only they use and they rub makeup, use and they look your vagina. Sit down in front of the mirror like this. Open your legs, spread them. Spread them in front of the vagina like this. Spread them in front of the mirror. No wear pants. Open your vagina. Open the vulva like this. No, this button where they do. No, the hole where they piece, where piece they come out from. The hole where your menses they come out from. The hole, the vagina hole, okay, where the penis they thrust in and out of. How the thing they work. And also, where be the place where they sweet you pass. You they like them. See, touch yourself. Explore your body parts. Because now that way you go take fit connect with your man when you know they do am well. And that way you go fit tell and say, bros, you need to come this way, or shift your hand, come to the right. Move your hand, come to the left. Move and go up small. Move and come down small, because you don't already know how your body they work. You don't already know where your body parts, the part of your body where they more sensitive. You know where your vagina they sensitive. You know the part of your vulva or your labia, any parts where they as they go touch you for your clitoris, because you don't explore your body parts by yourself. Sometimes do solo sex. All right, do this solo sex. It helps because it will also help communication between you and your partner. When you sabi as your sex organ they work as a woman or as a guy, you go sabi communicate with your partner when they do them well. When you don't touch yourself, you don't sabi all the areas and where they sensitive. You go sabi communicate with your partner when they hit the spot when you're supposed to hit. So once your woman don't reach orgasm when you don't finger them, you can decide to suck it up. All right, or you continue just dip in your penis inside her wet juicy vagina. You finish the work for there. Or you do what? You do anywhere where you feel see if you do. Some of them go won't continue with sex toy and all of that. So if you know they into fingering of woman, there are sex toys which will help you finger your woman. Okay, some people will say I don't like to finger the woman. There are sex toys which will also help you finger the woman. All right, so there's always a meeting point. Like if your partner like when I go talk about meeting points day, use the sex toy. Okay, if you use a sex toy, finger and she go also get that sensation. But some people go tell you say they go prefer the finger to the sex toy, but always make una learn to always meet at the middle. Okay, and once una don't finish, no also forget to clean up. Okay, no also forget to clean up. So please use lubricants. It is very, very important. Okay, so you go avoid to the bruiser, and don't forget to keep your nails well trimmed and clean. Even if it is short, clean, so that I no go give them germs or infection. And also forget to wash your hand before and after fingering your woman's vagina. Okay, you said whether they carry finger come meet for your vagina, to also forget to keep your vagina clean. Okay, don't talk and before. No point washing this hole with this na the vagina wall. No point washing this vagina hole here with soap, with all these funny things that way some of na they wash and with just clean water and it's okay. But this outside area of your vagina, biko, wash with soap and clean water. But the soap go be unscented. Okay, go be soap we get strong fragrance. All right, we get some vagina vulva friendly soap then where if you use to wash your vulva and your labia. So if you get all of those ones then and you'll be fine. Okay, when you hear say no wash your vagina with soap, now this hole that they talk about, this outside, wash them with mild soap and plenty clean water. Okay, I hope so with this small illustration where we don't show you. All right, you don't sabi to learn, you don't sabi to finger your woman like a pro. So no more fingering of your woman like a learner. Don't forget www.wazobia.facebook.com/wazobia radio. Now there you go fit to watch this video in case you miss them. Go fit watch them again, or you go if you go Twitter at wazobia_fm to go watch them again, just in case you miss them. 10 minutes now, don't waka they go meet them. 3 o'clock for inside the studio here. Now see you Bunga radio station 95.1 Wazobia FM. Pillow talk with me, myself, and more. Uzo Ududoba. Kiss Daniel. Moku take the one where they come from Kiss Daniel and call him Madu. My boy.